Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make name generator program using Python. So let's get started. First, let's create a Python file by name.py, and I want to print some message to the user. Welcome to the Oeken, and create a function main. Here I collect the first name and the last name and store them in a tuple. I simply copied it from to save the time. You guys can copy it from. Okay, to select the random item of the tuple, you have to import module whose name is random. To import it, just simply type import random, and after that, okay, first name is random.choice first. Okay, let's print it and see whether it is working or not. Okay, first name, last name, so let's call the function main. Okay, you can see it is perfectly working. The next thing is how to put them in while loop. So enter tag and to print it, just simply type print the name I selected is the name I selected is okay, and print first name score name first name. Okay, first name, okay, last name, so okay, var input, it should be str input, okay, enter and next, okay, skip t, okay, and if next underscore bar for the lower, okay, lower equal to okay, and break, okay, break. So let's run it and see. So okay, after that I want some spaces. Okay, let me keep this at first. I don't want tab here, so I just want some spaces. So next, after that, okay, let's run it again. So okay, let's hit enter. Okay, it's give me another name, another. Okay, it is perfectly working. Yeah, if I enter an instead of enter, so let's exit the loop. So it is perfectly working. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe.